Hello everyone. This 18 Super Duty has a busted exterior mirror mounted turn signal. I'll be replacing it in this video. There's the number. It's a 374 for the right side, and it'll be a 375 for the driver's side, the left side. It's a fully sealed LED. It will have clearance and turn signal built into it. I positioned the upper glass all the way in, and then use a large 90-degree pick and gently pry on the ears while you pull out in the glass. Don't pull too hard and break the glass. You just work them until you get it to pop out. Then position the mirror back out, and it'll slide off. Sometimes on this defroster grid, these two terminals will stick on there, and you can pull them off the glass. I'll spray them, then use a screwdriver, pry it off. And it slipped out of my hand. That's why I put my cart underneath there so it doesn't hit the floor. And brake. Then pull the motor. There's 3 T10s screws. And then pull the connector on that. Then the lower glass, same thing. Can usually just pry on 2 of the ears on the corner and it'll pop out. And this lower one is also heated. There's the 2 tabs that I pried on. Then the upper cover, the upper outside cover, it has these locks. You pry the tab back and then push the lock, the ear, towards the front of the truck. Just kind of work it. And gently pry it out. And then there's a large center one. You'll need 2 tools for this. If not, you'll break them. They're pretty easy to break. Same thing, you'll pry it and then pry and push. Then there's 5 8mm screws on the inside. Remove those. Kind of work it a little bit, loosen everything up. And that inner cover will stay on. So there's an inside tab that's kind of tough to get out. If you kind of rotate it in a circular motion, it'll pop out. There's that center one. So all these tabs are good, none of them broke. Now we'll remove the lower cover, same thing, work in a circular motion while you're pulling outward. And release the locks. And pull the ambient air temperature sensor. We'll go ahead and take the puddle lamp out. Then the connector for the turn signal. They're usually stubborn. You push in on that white tab and pry down on it. Then slide the turn signal out of it. I'm going to clean the inner mount on this lower cover. Slide the new turn signal in. And start plugging everything back in. You kind of push in and line up the wiring. This little slot. Line everything up. Slide the lower cover back on. Snap the inner tabs in. Make sure none of the wiring is pinched. Reinstall the puddle lamp, the temp sensor, reinstall the 5 screws. And I'll turn the lights on and the 4 ways just to make sure everything works before we get it completely back together. Everything works. There's that little hole right there where that inside tab goes for the upper cover. And it just snaps back in place. And reinstall the motor. I start with one of the small screws already through the motor, line it up, and then insert the other 2. You don't want to go crazy on these screws and strip them out. Reconnect the upper glass, I should say mirror. And there's 3 metal springs that all align with the slots I was just cleaning, and just firmly press the mirror back in straight until it snaps in place. Reconnect the lower mirror. Snap it in. That's pretty much it for this one. Alright, thanks for watching everyone, and we'll see you in the next video.